And welcome back, guys, to the beautiful straight six auto parts studio here in California. You can see it's already sunsetting here. It's like 8 p.m. but we still here, still working, still making videos for you because we enjoy it. We enjoy working with BMWs and we enjoy working, like making a video for you. 2013 650 all-wheel drive Grand Coupe. I had the same one a couple months ago. I sold it. And I really enjoy this car. It was convertible though, since we're in California, we have to have a convertible here to enjoy the weather. I think comfort-wise, this is the best car you can ever get, besides the 7 Series, of course. Talking about the comfort, the 7 Series is kind of a little bit too big, especially if you're driving in the city. This is the perfect size, so basically it's like the 5 Series, it's the 4-door, but it looks sporty compared to the 5 Series, so that's why I like it. And this car in like deep blue color, M Sport package, LED headlights. 6 Series comes with the 2 version. It can be xenon headlights or it can be LED headlights. In case of the 3 Series, let's say we have halogen headlights, the cheapest option, and the expensive option is xenon headlights. Here xenon headlights is the cheapest option and the LED headlights is the most expensive one. And the car with these headlights, with LED headlights, it looks like treasure, I would say. It's like new car. Xenon headlights, they kind of old style. You can see the car is kind of a little bit old. Anyway, M Sport package as always, 6 Series, 650, top of the line, Grand Coupe. The car came from Texas, yeah, from Austin, Texas. And usually all the cars from Texas, they beat up. I'll be honest with you. Florida, Texas, beat up. This is an exception. This car in beautiful condition. Regardless of the mileage, it has 95,000 miles on it, but the condition is super clean. Let's get to the car and I will show you. As you can see, the car is already running. Everything is fine as far as the front end. The only damage that we have is pretty bad, I should say that. Almost the same as we had on our M4, the same as we had on 430 that we're fixing. They just cut out the quarter panel, I mean the insurance company, and there is some damage to the door, but the main problem is here. I mean, we can still fix it, but I would rather not to deal with the body like crazy repairs like this. And it's already 2013, kind of old. M Sport package comes with the diffuser on the rear bumper, and the 650 it has like the big exhaust pipes from both sides. It looks like it's rectangular some kind of shape, but actually it's like just 2 pipes inside of it. 640 though, it comes with just 2 round pipes, so the exhaust is different on 640 and 650. Then we have huge sunroof that we can open just up. It's not going back for some reason. Maybe it doesn't work on this car. So what else? M Sport package comes with these 20 inches wheels with the M logo on it. 245/35 in the front, 275/30 on the back. This car does not have 360 view cameras. It only has one on the back. Even if it's the M Sport package, it does have those fog lights. Let me turn them on. As you can see, matching to headlights, fog lights, LED as well, and turn signals LED, everything LED, super cool. Even that side marker is kind of LED version of it. 4 doors, all 4 door handles come like with the comfort access. Let's get inside, and inside we have white interior. It's not like the tan, it's white. It's actually like the oyster color. Unfortunately we have white floor. Since we have M Sport package, of course we're gonna have M Sport door seals. Of course it comes with the sport seats. They actually ventilated, heated, everything that you can imagine. They have massage option, which is beautiful. So on 6 Series, all the seats the same, only the difference is they can be folding or non-folding. These are non-folding because it's the 4-door version of it. It's actually pretty cool. Enough space, I should say, on the back. And look at the headliner. Yes, it's the Alcantara. So we have like the light floor and dark roof, like the headliner. Super soft Alcantara. I like it, like on M6. Sitting on the back on the 6 Series Grand Coupe, I'm 5'10" and it's plenty of room in here. I'm not a big guy, of course, but I got plenty of space in here in front of me and plenty of space in here, which is cool. Basically, it's the kind of coupe, but it's the full 4-seater. We don't have a seat in here. We actually do. We have a seat belt. So the person in the middle should wear jeans or something, because you have to spread your legs like this. Let's step outside and see what else we have from the passenger side. Let's have a seat on the passenger side. I should say, I think 6 Series, I like it the most of all the 4-door sedans, let's say. I like it more than the 5 Series, I like it more than the 7 Series. It's just different. It's just more comfortable to sit in here. X6 is a little bit better. I like it more, the X6 or X5, because you have a lot of room above your head. But I should say 6 Series is pretty cool car, especially 650 V8 twin turbo engine, maybe actually even M6. So what else? CIC navigation, beautiful dark wood trim. I like this portion in here, it's leather. Sometimes if it's got extended leather option, it's gonna have Napa leather in here. This one is just a regular, but it's still leather, which is cool. So screen, huge. It's way bigger than on 3 Series. I think it's the same as on 5 Series, or is it different? Oh, on 5 Series it's got the dashboard like that, like the whole thing, it's covered. On 6 Series it's standalone screen. It looks like standalone screen. And I like it, the instrument cluster is white on F Series. And yes, the car is still running. Yes, ventilated, heated seats, all the good stuff in here. Also, the other cool feature that I noticed, active cruise control. That's the sensor on the windshield. So let's get into the car and rev it up a little bit. I think the engine is pretty good. I mean, not I think, the engine is pretty good. We can go under the engine actually. And also on M Sport package, I forgot to mention, we have different steering wheel. Looks similar to the regular one, but it's thicker and it's the Napa leather, which is cool as well. 6 Series, they all comes like the E90, 92. They all comes with the sport steering wheel. But it can be M Sport or it can be a regular one, same as on E92, E93. So here is our N63TU engine, which is technical update or upgrade, however you call it. Let's rev it up a little bit. We'll see if the engine is good. I actually did that already. Yeah, the car was warm. Sounds pretty good, I should say. Not as M6, but still 650. Quiet, but you hear that V8 engine. Maybe you can hear it as well. Whoo, a little bit pop, but that's it. Nothing crazy. Not like your clapped out 335 with M54 and straight pipes and down pipes and everything. This is the comfortable. I think this is gonna be done with checking this car. All good, all beautiful. I'm super happy with the condition of the car. Unfortunately, again, in this case, we would have to part it out because it's the salvage saddle. It's got the quarter panel damage. Nobody would fix it. I mean, I know you guys, again, tell me like, hey, you should fix it. Sorry, not at this time. We have this one that we fixed. I mean, there was no issue whatsoever, just one sensor on the engine and came as mechanical damage. That's kind of cases we're gonna fix. This one, we are ready to get this car inside and we will take it apart and you guys can enjoy all of these parts. You're more than welcome. M Sport package, 6 Series, Grand Coupe, white interior, Oyster, and 63 engine. If anything that you need, that's your chance. See you inside. We got the car inside and as always we will start with the interior and then we will proceed with the rest. Let's go with the interior. Before we do that, actually let's do check. The checklist is done and everything is in good working condition except of the transmission. Transmission is good. It shifts to the drive or reverse, but something is wrong with the axles. So that's only one issue that we have with the car. Everything else is good. The most important part is the headlights and engine, and they're all in good working condition. I'm happy with the car. Let's get it started. Got the car on the lift and let's have a look at what we have from under the car. So everything is still on the car. I mean, as far as the body panels and everything, even the splash shield in here. Probably we should take this one out and everything in here looks cool and almost brand new, still shiny and everything, no rust. Austin, Texas, beautiful cars. So let's take that splash shield out and we'll see what's under it. Got the engine splash shield out and here is what we have. I feel like we should put everything back together and keep driving this car. That's how clean it is. It's like almost brand new car. Even if it has 95,000 miles on it, everything just shiny and beautiful. No rust whatsoever, no oil leaks, nothing like that. Unfortunately, that's the damage right here and nobody would fix it. And there is no value in this car. So we will part it out anyway. We'll enjoy parting it out and we'll see what we can find. I mean, I don't think we can find anything. It's just beautiful car, well maintained, and we will enjoy taking all of these brand new parts out. Let's keep going. Okay guys, so N63 is out from 650 real wheel drive. Here is the automatic transmission, 8-speed. Looks like brand new engine. Was it been like replaced as one of the warranty cases, or it is just maintained? I think it's been maintained. I don't think if it's been replaced. Since it's the N63 TU, they usually last longer, way longer than N63. That's why we still have that good engine. We can see some of the oil over here in the front of the engine, but besides that, it's super clean car, super clean engine. And here's the car. Look at that tunnel. Everything is out. So right now we will drain the gas, bring the car down, finish it, take a couple more pieces, and we're gonna jump on the engine. We will strip it down to the block, and I will get you updates as far as the block, what we can see. We're not gonna open valve covers probably, since that's the N63, it's the good engine, but we will take all of those accessories like the alternator, turbos, everything. We will take them out and I will get you updates. Let's keep going. This is gonna be the end of the story with that 6 Series 650 that we're working on the last couple days. So here is behind me the front core support, the whole thing, and that's how we usually sell it. We actually took the car already to the junkyard, to the scrapyard, and here is what we have left. Transmission, engine, that thing, and everything else already pictured. And here we have the next car on a lift already. That's the 2016 428 with seized engine. But getting back to our engine, so this is the N63 TU technical update engine, and it has injectors the same as we have on the N55, not the old version on N54, N55, which is way more reliable. We didn't open the valve cover, and we shouldn't probably even do it because the engine looks like new. You can definitely see it from this side, from everywhere. Here we don't have any oil, and from this side as well. So 6 Series is gone, and the next car in line is gonna be, actually that 428 is the next in line, and after that 428 we have 335 M Sport. Wait, I thought it's the M Sport package, but it's not. Oh damn, it's not the M Sport package. So as you can see, red trim over here. Oh damn, Felix. We like it more to work with clean cars, that's why we do it, and all the parts are gonna be clean. We don't have to clean them twice. And look at those red calipers and red trim. It's been wrapped or painted, whatever it is. 2011 335 E93 convertible. The next in line after that 428. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, and if you need any parts, DM us on Instagram. We will get you all of those parts. And until next time.